Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the BMO Smart Saver, a convenient and easy-to-use tool designed to help you save money. The BMO Smart Saver is a type of savings account that allows you to set aside a fixed amount of money on a regular basis, making it easier to reach your savings goals. To get started, you will need to open a BMO Smart Saver account, which can be done online or in person at a BMO branch. Once you have opened your account, you can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your Smart Saver account. This can be done on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, depending on your needs and preferences. One of the key benefits of the BMO Smart Saver is that it allows you to earn interest on your savings, which can help your money grow over time. The interest rate on the BMO Smart Saver is competitive with other savings accounts, and you can easily track your earnings online or through the BMO mobile app. To maximize the benefits of the BMO Smart Saver, it is a good idea to set a specific savings goal, such as saving for a vacation or a down payment on a house. You can then set up automatic transfers to help you reach your goal and track your progress online or through the mobile app. Another key feature of the BMO Smart Saver is that it allows you to make withdrawals at any time. Although you may be subject to some restrictions or penalties for early withdrawals, it is a good idea to review the terms and conditions of your account before making any withdrawals, to ensure that you understand any potential fees or penalties. In addition to the BMO Smart Saver, BMO also offers a range of other savings tools and resources, including budgeting apps and financial planning services. These tools can help you to create a personalized savings plan and to track your progress towards your goals. Overall, the BMO Smart Saver is a convenient and easy-to-use tool that can help you to reach your savings goals by setting up automatic transfers, earning interest on your savings, and tracking your progress online or through the mobile app. You can make saving easier and more convenient. With its competitive interest rate and flexible terms, the BMO Smart Saver is a great option for anyone looking to save money and achieve their financial goals.